Good morning, guys. What's up? How are you today? Are you ready to see what we can expect from the market? Good morning. Actually, my day started long ago, but let's see what. Let me see if the charts are the same. Yeah, I think basically they are the same. So let's wait a little bit for a few more people to join. Tell me, meanwhile, how are you today? How do you feel? What are your expectations from the market? What do you think it will happen? Click the like button. Let's help the live to be shown to more people. Okay. You're making us both profitable and knowledgeable. That's the point, guys. That's the point. I want to show you maximum value for absolutely free, because these lives are absolutely free. As I told you, I have long-term plans, so I'm going to show you super, if you're trading with me long-term, I will show you super easy way to have a look at the chart, not those super sophisticated strategies, indicators on 1 minute, 5 minute, fair value gaps, sell zones, kill zones, and stuff like that. Nothing like that. There is no point to make it more sophisticated than it should be. Most people make it just to sell courses and stuff like that. You have to know that. There is super simple way to trade and to be profitable. I really appreciate your good work. Thank you. Hit the like button on the chart, so we can expect more people to join. Now, first thing that we are looking at daily chart. As yesterday I told you, super bullish, and you can see the price made over 300 pips, even 400 pips from yesterday. For me, I have two zones for sell, which is and those two zones for sell. We will take a look. Actually, I made a quick look at the chart, but I didn't make more sophisticated analysis. So now I'm going to do it with you together in the live. So let's see. That's why I'm starting from daily chart. You can see still the price is super bullish at this moment. It actually closes with whole candle above the last whole candle here. It didn't break the wicks, and it's still on some daily trend line. So for now, on daily chart, I expect to see probably some retracement, and after that eventually the bullish momentum. Yeah, this is hell of an ugly arrow, but probably to make some retracement correction on the impulse like previous times, and initially to continue to go upwards. Now whether it will continue to the trend line or it will make a breakout, I still don't know. We'll see. Let's move to the 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah, the price reached the previous high. You can see it couldn't break it, and it closes just to it. So now you can see it breaks the previous top here and makes like a test. Here there are volumes on this, not like a side movement, but like consolidation here. So on 4 hours, if the price didn't make a breakout now, probably we might see some retracement to these areas. There is PPI news today in 3:30 p.m. So they probably will impact the price in some way. But you can see this is very good liquidity area right now, because we have 3 tops on one place. So probably the price will break it in some moment. On 1 hour, let me use my favorite indicator, trend lines. So at this point, probably let me check everything and we will make some decision. You can see this, I think in some form is legit, because you can see there is a huge rejection after that, and again there is a rejection, and after that we saw a breakout. So now the price is like testing it. So I'm going to leave this trend line for now. We have our resistance, which becomes a support, like a swing area right here. Let me use the Fibonacci. Yeah, you can see this candle right here is not a bad candle. Also this rejection, so we might see something like that, and potentially the price to continue. Or of course, if the price breaks it, we are going to wait for some kind of test and to see a huge fall, but this is super far away, so I don't think this will happen today. So we are going to observe this area right now. Let me check, yeah, if I'm seeing everything. But these zones I'm not taking, I don't have the previous zones in mind because they're super far away. I don't think that the price today will make 400 or 500 pips. Of course it is possible, but I just don't think that this will happen. That's why for now I'm going to use the smaller charts, but you can see how many rejections, and after that, after the breakout, the price tests the area. So this area is super strong. Let me just check something. If we made like this, there is a breakout. If can see on the smaller charts, rejection, breakout, test, but now we have to have in mind probably, let's see the volumes, but yeah, on this candle. So I will mark this candle right here, and I think, guys, that now my prediction for now at this moment is that we might see some retracement, or I should probably make it more like that, to reach the zone and to be like test again on the trend line, somewhere around the trend line, and we will make something like this, and on a potential breakout here, okay, very ugly again, but we will enter some sell position. That's one of the possibilities. To here we have about 100 pips. I think it's good. So a Quasimodo, how will look the Quasimodo? We don't have a good left shoulder for Quasimodo. So at this point, I think that we definitely don't have anything to enter a trade. But yeah, for the Quasimodo, I think that we should have more like a good shoulder here, the head and the breakout, like it is right here. We have the shoulder, nice breakout of all the previous bottoms. The price, you can see the line perfectly returns to this area and made a huge fall, but it did it twice. I don't think that it will happen third time. Probably there is also a possibility, though back then there is a possibility that because of, you can see these are trend reversal figures, and of course they reverse the trend in some way because they are on 1 hour, so these are fall for 500 pips, but you can see how strong this trend line is, and also this support area that the price creates. When the price creates such a support area and the price breaks the previous highs, now you can see how it's been rejected from this trend line. I mean, supported, let's say, because we know trend lines works as a dynamic support and resistance trend line. So you can see how perfectly it breaks and even reaches the previous stops. Now I think that there is also a possibility to see a breakout. Of course, we'll see, this is more long term, but as we told, potentially the price may do some correction and to see another highest momentum in the history. Of course, let me do something else. Let's check the DXY. Oh, DXY is very ugly. Okay, there is some trend line. Can it be something like that? Probably. Probably is on 4 hour. Let me check. Yeah. It's probably on 4 hour. Now I think if the dollar index breaks on the upper side, we will see a fall of the gold. Of course, because most of the times they are in opposite correlation. Also, here the price creates something like a resistance. It's not very good to catch it like that, but just for some point of view. But this could be, yeah, like some kind of confirmation. If the price breaks the trend line, it can possibly just a second, because I received one email that I was waiting. So let's return. Oh, I deleted everything. So my idea again is that probably we might see something like that. I'm not very precise with this drawing, but you get the point. Something like that form. Of course, don't expect to be perfectly like that, but something similar to happen. So guys, tell me, what do you think? Also, guys, you're 50 people. Hit the like button, please. Hit the like button on the video, on the live stream. Help me reach more people, because I think that these live analyses are very valuable. Sir, can you tell me how and why choose this rectangle candle? What do you mean? I don't understand. Rectangle candle. This one, because look, most of the times we have a fall breaking all the previous bottoms. So here there is an order book created. I'm at 5 minute time frame, and the price made a made some correction and another huge fall. So most of the times it basically, I can show you other examples that the price, when there is such a strong movement up. Okay, let's take this one just for the example. When we have a strong impulse, and most of the times the bullish candle from the beginning, or if there are two, it's better if there are two candles. Of course, most of the times this is on the smaller charts. The price returns to them, not to the top, but to the first or the second. If it's one or two candles, the price returns to them. They're working like some kind of demand zone. Hey people, please like his live broadcast. He's giving us what he know, and like is what we deliver. That's simple. Thank you. So I think that this candle will work the same, but at this moment the price looks like so actually it doesn't look like anything, because I think that this trend line is still not very accurate, because this is too small, too little. So this candle, when I put the volumes, you can see on this impulse the volumes are right here. So I think that we might see some retracement to this area. Of course, it's not necessary 100%. It might not happen this way, but we have to have in mind every possibility. Also, I want to show you something else that I have in my mind. Most of the times, you know that London session works as a liquidity grab. I think this is okay. So at 4:30 we have a bottom of the Asia session. After that the price tested, and at the opening of the London it breaks the Asia low. That's why I'm thinking that now with this retracement the price will not continue to fall immediately, but it will go to break probably this area, which is nothing. But it could probably go even to break the Asia high, but I think if it goes to break the Asia high, this will be it will break the whole idea. So probably it will return to test this area right here from the Asia high, and then to start to go into some direction. We'll see. It might do something else, I don't know, but this is on the small chart. So basically at this moment I'm also more bearish probably. Yeah, there absolutely, but the other hand, we'll have a divergence now, and it starts to turn to the upside. It's really hard to take actions after such a huge impulses. Absolutely no retracement. Sometimes the price just continues like this here. Sometimes it makes a deeper correction, so I'm more like again today to wait to see something good, because for now I think it's not pretty clear what the price will do. I also think that it will do this exact thing. At which time frame? Yes, that's a good setup. Thank you, sir. London session open. And or even from here. And probably but let me show you something else. This that I'm thinking right now, these candles here, or probably they will be better on 1 hour. You can see from the opening they are trying to push the price very hard and huge volumes kick in, so probably the bias for now will be bearish again. We can see some, as we draw it, retracement, and to see potentially come back to the trend line, because this is good trend line. So we can see a third point and potential breakout with breaking all the previous stops. Or if it breaks the trend line on the downside, we will expect selling. But I can tell you, if this breaks the trend line, we can expect 500 pips selling. We will see what the price will do first. Either it will reject on the order book or wait for breakout and retest. Oh, what an ugly arrow. Okay. Let me make it a little bit more beautiful. Let me see if I'm missing something, or I don't know. I'm thinking if the price now starts to just to collapse, do we have an option to enter a trade? Guys, for now, I will definitely not jump into trades because again, I'm not sure what will happen first. You can see yesterday we waited a little bit and we entered an absolutely beautiful trade. Absolutely beautiful. After that, in the New York section, absolutely beautiful entry. Beautiful. I'm very proud of yesterday's trades because they were like on notebook. And even we extended the profit. After that, the price made 200 pips more, of course, but there is no way that we know this thing. Again, guys, do you want to make analysis on some other currency pairs probably, or something else until something better formed here? British pound to US dollar. Let me check. What is your opinion on meme coins? If you, I don't want to give my opinion, so, but Christian, I know that you're also Bulgarian. If you want to be scammed by this popular guy right now, many people fall for this trap, which is very ugly because these people just don't have let's not talk about it because okay. Check gold. What happened? Getting rejected. What should we do here? And enter buy. Let's see how it will close. But yeah, actually, if it's get rejected good, there is, we can try it with very shallow stop, probably even some, it will be better the stop to be under the bottom. Let's say here, but let's see how it will close. And Tosim, we will get back to British pound to US dollar. I didn't forget it, but let's see what will happen here. we can try to make it with a shallow stop, something like 30 pips. And to search for a retracement to the area. Yeah, it starts to look good now. Let me just check something. I am not sure, guys. Not sure because still, if you, because this is my trading style, of course everybody has opinions, but if I do something like that, let's say like that, it's like breakout and a test. So in MetaTrader it looks more convenient. So I will wait a little bit until making something. Okay, I think now it's good. Now it's good. Let's buy it, guys. Let's try it, of course, if you want to. But you can put the stop loss here. But of course, it would be better. I don't have time to post this in the group, so we will stick to the people in the live. Probably we will try it with shallow stop, and the profit will be here, something like almost 1 to 2 trade. I'm still not pretty sure about it, so use smaller risk, guys, because I think it's early and there is possibility just the price to continue to fall. I'm not going in this trade. Okay, yeah, I told you. Decide for yourself. It's still risky. That's why I'm not going to neither post it in the inner circle nor in the normal group. But we will give it a try. Because just because I told you, I think that the price will make some retracement to the areas, or even above the area. Yeah, but the best thing is to enter on a possible rejection here for sell, because the whole bias is still for now it looks long term is bullish, but short term I think it's bearish. Okay, we made a decision, and I told you probably I will stick with the shallow stop. I will decide it, but this is risky entry. It's more like scalping, so we will see. If you want, we can continue with the British pound to US dollar to see. Let me just move my stop loss. Where to 60 probably for now. And we'll see. Guys, this trade is for the live session. So it's still risky, have it in mind. Yeah, because as I told you, the better option is to put it under the bottom right here, because the price may test the trend line again. This way, the trade, the return, the risk ratio would be 1-to-1, almost 1-to-1. So let's see if we see a breakout here on these weeks. Probably let's make something like that. We will move the stop loss here, and after that, of course, if it's made 20 pips, 20-30 pips, if we see a breakout test, we will move the stop loss on break even, and to forget about it. But for now, starts to look good. Let's see. Actually, wait, my entry is worse than that. Let's see. Oh, damn. Yeah, 18. Bad entry. I'm just on break even now. Ah. Okay. What do you think it will happen now? Do you think this will work out or it will hit the stop loss? What do you think? Tell me, let's make a discussion, guys. It would be easier even for me. As I told you, this is risk trade, so I don't going to post it neither in inner circle nor in the free group. This is only for the live session. Whoever is in the live, and of course, again, this is not a financial advice. This is what I decided now. So have your own thoughts. And it would be nice if there was music right now. Oh, stop loss. Stop loss on trend. It's 10:30, 11 time to make a reversion for go, so we can try the buy. Market not going anywhere till US Open. Yeah, probably this is also true. I'm in the buy, previous high taken. We'll wait for 5 minutes close to move, stop loss. Market will be very slow. Let's hope that this don't work as like some kind of liquidity. Actually, guys, let me show you something. Basically, on 1 minute, now the price breaks the high. And this one also. So this is like a test. Now, on a potential breakout here, and of course, if the price, let's say, made 20-25 pips, I think it's okay to move the stop loss on break even, because again, I think this is still risky. So we better protect our trade and to see what will happen after that. It didn't break the resistance with the whole candle. Let's wait a little bit. Hmm. Can I still enter? With this closing right now, I don't think it's a good idea right now. Because it grabbed the previous high here and starts to make a good rejection. We'll see. It's still testing the previous tops. It looks like this on 1 minute. Let's see what will happen in the last minute. If it fulfill again the candle, it will be good. If it closes like that, I'm not pretty sure. Again, this is more like scalping right now, so have it in mind. Okay, okay. Okay, guys, I'm almost 20 pips on profit. So now it's a little bit early, but if you don't want to risk it, you can move the stop loss on break even. So just in case it starts to collapse. Let me see the DXY. But definitely, guys, if it now breaks on the upper side, it's better for us to move the stop loss. In this case, I told you it's a risky trade. I on purpose didn't send it in the groups nor the inner circle, neither the inner circle nor the free group, because it's more like scalping. So basically, it almost reached 20 pips. So it's still looking like a rejection. The stop is on 60. What pair? This is gold to US dollar. Okay, okay. We are waiting for a breakout and everything will be good. Breakout on this top right here. Okay, let's see what last minute of this 5-minute candle will bring us. 5 minutes here and 30 seconds here. Hmm. Guys, hit the like button on the video. Let me move. I don't really like how this candle closed. Let's see how the 15-minute candle, if it closes like that, I don't know. I don't know because I was not even sure about this whole trade, I told you. Because this trend line here is not one of the best that could possibly be drawn. I watch it on 1 minute on my other screen, and for now it looks like there is no strength, let's say strength, for breaking on the upper side. Guys, also I have to tell you that Thursday and Friday, all from Wednesday, but on Friday, Thursday and Friday I will be on vacation and I will pick my laptop with me, but I'm not super sure that I will trade live and stuff like that because I'm going to the mountains with my family, and I will get some rest probably, if there is a possibility of getting rest with 2 little children, but who knows. Hey guys, what's up? Guys, I entered this trade, but I thought it's very risky, and now this is not good closing of the 15-minute candle, and probably it would be better to get out of the trade. Yeah. So in my opinion, if you don't want to risk it, You can close on break even right now. That's why I didn't post it. Oh, should I return my words? Let's see. I just try to be protective, guys, because I know that you're risking your money. So that's why when I'm not sure as this trade right now, that's why I didn't post it in the groups. That's why I told you, if you don't want to risk, close it. So it's not like the trades, let's say, from yesterday that I was pretty sure what is going to happen. Now I'm not so sure. I'm willing to risk it for now, but it closes not very good. This candle here is not very good. On 10 minutes also, but actually on 10 minutes it closes with a breakout, I think, which is important for me. Yeah, the other thing is, but no, if now the price breaks, let's say this whole bodies, then it's okay for us to move on break even. For now it's too early, so that's why I told you, whether you're out or you're risking it. Yeah, the trade is risky because you can see on 1 hour still no direction. It's more like a breakout and test on the trend line. But I just thought that it will make some more retracement as we speak from the morning. I told you everything that I expect. Initially the bias is bearish right now, yeah, because we have a breakout here. This is a counter trend, more like scalping trade. It made 20 pips. That's why I didn't post it in the groups. I told you it's risky. And now you still have the option to get away from it and break even almost. But it looks like there is no, for now, it looks like there is no volumes for buy. I don't want to search for things that probably aren't there, but there is an order book here. So because we have a breakout on the bottoms, breakout of the tops. But we will see. If you haven't closed it now, as I told you, if it breaks the top, it's good to move the stop loss on break even. Until then, it's early. And it looks like the dollar index also will break the trend line, and this will bring the gold down. So guys, if you want, again, if you have entered, close on break even now, when you don't want to make risks, because this definitely is risky trade. After your vacation with fam is super fun and nice. Have you concluded on when the challenge will start? This challenge, $20 to $1,000. I will be perfectly transparent with you. There are two reasons why I didn't start it yet, and they're basically very funny reasons. Probably for you there will be funny reasons, but first one is that most of I want to use a strategy for these trades because we don't have to make losses there, and the strategy that I want to use is forming from 5:30 my time after the New York session pumps, dumps and stuff, around 5:30 to 7 p.m. And this is kind of a problem for me because now basically I do a trade on the New York session around 4 p.m. and after that I'm more likely to return to see my childs and play with them and stuff like that. So I don't I mean, if I start to make the challenge, I have to stop trading from the beginning of the New York session because I don't want to stay on the chart all day, because this I have it in mind. This only brings me problems because the more time I spend on the chart, the more mistakes I start to make. That's why I'm delaying it. And the other reason, of course, is that it will be very hard challenge because guys, we don't have to make mistakes. So I will now erase this trade because people are joining. I don't want to mislead someone. I told you, better close the trade because it's kind of risky. I myself will risk it because I already entered. I don't want to change my minds due to 5-minute candles, but I'm very protective. Sorry for that. You have your head. This is not financial advice. So we will see what will happen. This is the 20 pip mark. So let me check. Oh, did you hear that? That was my neck. So basically, guys, as we thought, I still think that there might be one more retracement, and during the news, let me see what are the expectations. The PPI is expected to be the same as it was. So if it's the same, I don't think that there will be huge impact, but we'll see. Bro, it's good to buy at 2463. What? There is some imbalance or something like that. Now, of course, we have to have this in mind, that if the price breaks here, it might be the start of the selling. We'll see. But initially, guys, again, I told you, I don't think now it's ready for anything. That's why I told you, close the trade around break even, and this was more like a scalping. It made 20 pips, but it was still not ready for action. So but again, I still think that I don't think that it will start to fall from now. I think that it will make some rise up, and then probably on the New York session, if it's going to fall, is going to make that falling. Okay, if this candle closes like that in the next 5 seconds, I think it might start to go up. But no, don't set sell limit at 2471. We are going to wait there to see some rejection, something like that, and eventually to enter a trade. But I don't think sell limit is good idea. Super slow market. There is absolutely no reason in market like that to search for trades. Basically, there is no reason, because it will only, as I told you, that's why I stopped entering live sessions at 8:30 a.m. because the market's super slow and it's only making us frustrated and nothing more happening. So Guys, it's amazing that 60 people are watching this live right now. Thank you, super grateful. Nothing is really happening at this moment. I entered a buy right here. I'm on break even at this moment. I told you this is risky trade. This is more like scalping. So because I entered, I told you I'm going to, I can show you, I'm going to wait for it, but it's better to not risk it with me. That's why I didn't post it in the groups, because this is risky trade, and for now it's not looking very well. But this zone right here looks interesting right here. We will see how the price will react there. Hmm. What a silence. I should probably get someone with me here in the office. Yeah, don't buy it right now. Absolutely. Now it's looking really bad. Probably the bearish impulse started. So oh, we're at 11 a.m. Too much volumes for selling, guys. Too much volumes. If now the price doesn't react here, probably it will continue to fall. Now let's see how the price will react again on probably something like that. What will happen if it reaches it here, and I will decide. But the market is really boring, absolutely boring, slow, and I think it's also not sure where it wants to go now. Is there someone that is holding the buy position? Okay, silence is a good indicator. Ah, yes, I am. Yes, I'm still holding the buy. Yes, I entered with you on a buy. Okay, we are 15 pips on momentum loss. Now, guys, I think that this could be our right here, this zone. Is going to be our point of indication. If the price breaks it now, we are going to jump out with 20 to 3 pips loss. But if the price starts and break here, I think that we can see some rise. So okay, you entered, but I don't want to mislead you. The situation is bearish, guys. So I draw this like expectation what could possibly happen, but you can see we should trade based on what is happening, and for now you can see this rejection here breaks the previous top rejection, so it looks bearish for now. So that's why I deleted the trade, because I told you get out of it. And now I'm watching it on 1 minute, and there is like volume kicks in for sell, but there are no volumes for buy. So guys, again, have it in your mind that what we wish to happen is not what basically is happening. The market is super slow right now, so DXY is absolutely awful. And also I should to tell you that I will be probably 15-20 minutes more in the live, and I have to go because I have to go and pick up my elder child. So initially, for now, guys, we don't have anything. Still don't have anything. It actually looks more for selling already. But unfortunately, I won't be able to be on the chart because I have to go with the car to pick up my child. So I will probably not going to enter another trade right now. Greetings, Habibi. Greetings. Is this a light in the tunnel? Let's see. No. No volumes for buy. Probably. Where should be the next stop eventually? I don't know. Grabbing the bottom. Do you use fundamental? Yeah, of course. You can check my video in my YouTube channel. I post a video about fundamental and technical analysis, how I do it and what I'm looking at. And now, guys, the price is breaking out. Probably. Now is a good time to get, if you are in a buy, probably now is the moment to get out. Still the price is on 1 minute order book, but I am not sure whether it will impact in some way. Let's give it a few minutes to see and we will decide. XY. Let's just for a minute abstract. Yeah, probably. It will not make another retracement here. It will probably just continue to fall. Guys, maybe another buy position. Absolutely no. There is absolutely no reason for buy at this moment already. Yeah. Of course, there is a possibility now just the price to reach again the trend line, test it, and to start to go again. We will see. But it already break the bottom, it breaks the trend line, so basically of course, if you're risking it, if you are in buy, there is a possibility to move the stop loss, but you're risking 20 pips more, so it's still, it looks right now pretty bearish. It can actually just go and grab the bottom and starts to reverse. I am not pretty sure at this moment, but in both ways, that's why I told you I don't like trades like that, scalpings and stuff like that, because at this moment I think the market is ugly, because you can see it starts to break the bottoms, breaks the tops after that. Now it closes good, but it actually is more like a test on the breakout. So what is it, 10 a.m. Very interesting. You can probably Mm-hmm. Uh, it's actually not a good buy. It's more like trying it. Mm. This situation here is not very good for buying. As I told you, it's not sure. I mean, yeah, it looked good here, probably, but now I still think that probably it will continue to go down. We'll see. Mm. But in both cases, it is better when the market is kind of unpredictable. Just to wait to see some clear movement, whether it's breakout, whether it's rejection from some area, where is whether it's some good candle based on what you're trading. Now it was more like again test for the live session, and we'll see how it would turn. But definitely not not buying pressure. No matter that the price gets rejection here, I think for now uh, the sellers are stronger. Okay. Okay. Now it starts to break the first 1 minute trend line. Let's see if it closes like that. We'll wait for a breakout also here. And come on, man. You know what time is it, guys? If you are following me for some time, now is the swearing time. My MetaTrader blocked. What the hell? What is happening? Is there some delay with you, or it is only with me? Okay, the market become super slow. Guys, I will have to go in the next 5 minutes. So the bad thing is that I might not be able to look what is happening. So in both cases, if you haven't entered anything, stay away for now from the chart. Let's see a clear movement, clear breakout, not this side movements like right here. Let's see probably a breakout on the downside or on the upper side, and to be sure what the market is up to. And if you're holding the buy position, we're on 15 pips momentum loss, so decide for yourself, guys. Both case, you can put the stop loss above this pin bar, under, excuse me, or under the bottom, depends whether you want to risk it. But if we see a breakout here, there is a probability the price to reach the area. If not, probably it will not going to happen. There is a, because DXY, you can see DXY starts to clearly, I adjusted it again, but even if we do like that, it will soon start to make a breakout. So I think we might be, as we thought, more bearish, because on this huge impulse I am expecting a retracement to these areas, so we'll see. We'll see. Thank you for being with me for so long time. Today the market is not very good. We'll see what will happen here, whether the price will reach this area. From this area we might wait for some rejection and to search for sell positions. Until then, I don't think the market is very good right now. So guys, thank you, and we'll see what will be the outcome of this trade, because it didn't reach the stop loss, so we're still in the game, but it don't look very good, well, so we'll see about it. Thank you, and we will continue on the New York session with the people in the inner circle. See you.